Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mayur, and in this series we are going to solve SQL 50 questions from LeetCode. And today is our 13th question, so let's begin. The question is manager with at least 5 direct reports. This is actually a really good question. Even I was asked in an interview, but I couldn't solve it then. Now I know. It was asked in so many companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, Bloomberg, Google, Yahoo, Adobe, Uber, all great companies. Because this is actually a really good question. So the question is simple. Manager with at least 5 direct reports. We have a table, ID, name, department, and manager ID. Okay. Write a solution to find at least 5 direct reports. Return the table in any order. Okay. Meaning that I need to find the name of the manager with or name of the manager which has more than 5 people reporting to him. Okay, so you can see if I have the employee ID 101, okay, he has no manager, but 102 has manager 101. That means 101 himself is the manager. So to solve such questions, we'll see a trick, like that is how we'll solve. Okay, the question is very simple. Let's start writing. Select. So in this I'll give two names to the current table for our convenience. So I'll say e dot name from, because I want only name in the output. Okay, so e dot name from employee. E will join it with the same table M on. Here comes the interesting part. Now since I'm joining it the same table, it does not mean that I join on the same column, or like if I join it on the same column, it will still join. That is not an issue. The issue is I want to join the ID with the manager ID. Only if I do this, then only I can get the correct output. Because if I join it on the same column, I won't get the correct output, and manager ID will not be into consideration. So I'll join e dot ID is equal to m dot manager ID. Group by the manager ID. Obviously I'll have to group it. So here we'll see another new function, which is having. What having does is, having is a function used in SQL which does the function of a where after grouping our table. So you see the writing order for where is after from, right? But I want the output of, I want to have a condition after group by. Now I cannot write where or over here, group by where. This will throw an error. I'll show you. Where name is equal to John. Okay, it threw an error saying this line has a problem because the order is wrong over here, right? So when I have to put a condition after grouping it, I will have to use having. Having the manager ID, having the m dot manager, sorry, I have to count it, right? Having the count of m dot manager ID greater than equal to 5. Only when I do this, I think we can get our output. It's accepted. So you see, we got the output as John, right? Because John is the only manager who has 5 or more than 5 reporting, right? Like 101 has 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reporting to him, right? So why? Because I've joined this on this column. Let's say if I join m dot id, is the same thing, right? But if I do this, will I get the same output? No. Now I got Dan, this guy. I don't know how. So it is very important when such type of questions comes, where I have to, where the where both the column has almost the same inputs. So it is very important to join or to know where on which column you are joining the tables on, right? Manager ID. If I try to submit this, yeah, we have a really nice solution, beats 76%. That's good. So this was our 13th question. It was actually a very good question. There are good chances that this will be asked in an interview, where if you are applying for a data analyst or any data role which has SQL in it. So the key takeaway in this particular question was on what are you joining it, right? And having function, like rest is basic. You're grouping it by the manager ID because I want only the managers. You're having count greater than 5, but you want on what are you joining it, only then we'll get the correct output. So yeah guys, this was the 13th questions from SQL LeetCode. I hope you are liking my videos. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice day.